Hi, this question appeared in JEE Advanced 2022 in its second paper, and it is a multi-correct answer question. So it can have more than one correct answers, and the question is from the topic circles. So let us go ahead and solve this question. But before going through the solution, I would like all of you to pause this video at this moment and give this question a try. Let G be a circle of radius r. So we have a circle G like this. Okay, the radius of the circle is r, and G1, G2, G and so on, Gn be n circles of equal radius r. Suppose that each of the n circle touches the circle G externally. So okay, so G1 is like this, it touches G externally, and it is also given that the circle Gi touches Gi plus 1 externally. Okay, so G2 touches G1 and G. So this is G2, it touches both G2 and G. So again similarly that is G3. G3 touches this bigger circle and this, and similarly G4, G5, G5, G6 and so on till Gn. Alright, Gn touches this G1 and G. So this is the setup they have given. So I already made a good looking diagram. So let us paste the diagram here, and then we'll proceed through the solution. Alright, paste. Okay, so this is the diagram we have right now. So okay, this bigger circle, blue circle is G, and we have G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7, G8 and so on like this. Alright, now what is given? So the radius of this bigger circle is r, and the radius of all the smaller circles is small r, and they are asking us to find the relation between capital R and small r. So let us go ahead and solve this. So to do this, let us consider any two circles, and let us assume there are n circles. Alright, so let this be the center of bigger circle, and this is the center of this circle, and this is the center of this circle. So let us draw a tangent to this circle and this circle from this point. Okay, this will be the tangent. So there will be one radius which is perpendicular to this tangent, and there will be one radius for this circle which is perpendicular to this tangent. This is r, this is r. Alright, now if we join these two points, this will be small r and this will be capital R. And similarly, if we join these two, this is small r, this is capital R. So since we have assumed that there are n circles, let us take a simple case where there are 3 circles. Understood? Okay, so so 3 circles are there like this, and there is one center circle. So there are 3 outer circles. Okay, if there are 3 circles, the angle between any two circles, centers of any two circles, is simply 360 by 3. Similarly, here this angle will be 360 by n. Alright, that angle is 360 by n. So this particular small angle is 360 by 2n, because this is a right angle triangle and this is a right angle triangle, and those two triangles are congruent. So this angle is 360 by 2n, and this angle is also 360 by 2n. Alright, so let us take one of those triangles. So we have something like this. So this is r, this is r plus r, and this angle is 360 by 2n. So what is sine 360 by 2n? Sine 360 by 2n is equals to r by r plus r. So now we got a relation between capital R and small r. This is what we have to do. It is just a single step problem. All right. So this is sine 180 upon n, that is equal to r plus r by r. So let us take the inverse of this. This will be cosecant 180 by n is r plus r by r. So let us split this up. So this will be 1 plus r by r is equals to cosecant 180 upon n. Therefore cosecant 180 upon n minus 1 is equals to r by r. Understood? So now let us go through the options. First option says if n is equals to 4, root 2 minus 1 times r less than r. So this is what we have to verify. Okay, let us put n is equal to 4 in this. So this will be cosecant 45 minus 1 is equal to r upon r. Cosecant 45 is root 2. Root 2 minus 1 is r times r. So r is equals to root 2 minus 1 times r. But root 2 minus 1 times r is less than r is given in the question. So option A is incorrect. So let us go to option B. Option B says if n is equal to 5, small r less than capital R. Small r less than capital R. Again, let us put n is equal to 5 in this. So then that will give us cosecant 180 by 5, 36 minus 1 is equals to r upon r. Cosecant 36 is greater than 1, correct? So this factor is greater than 0. Okay. Sine 36 is greater than sine 30. Okay. So if we take the reciprocals, cosecant 36 is less than cosecant 30. So cosecant 36 is less than, what is cosecant 30? That is 2. So cosecant 36 is less than 2. So cosecant 36 minus 1 is less than 1. But what is cosecant 36 minus 1? Capital R upon small r is less than 1. So r less than r. So capital R less than small r. But the reverse is given here. So option B is also wrong. Let us go ahead with option C. If n is equal to 8, option C says if n is equals to 8, root 2 minus 1 times r less than r. Okay. Let us put n is equal to 8 in this. So that will be cosecant 180 by 8 is 22.5 minus 1 is equals to r upon r. What is cosecant 22.5? Sine 22.5 is root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this will be this one. That is cosecant 22.5. So let us do one thing. Let us rationalize the denominator. So we'll multiply the numerator with root 2 plus 1. And denominator also will multiply with root 2 plus 1. So this is 1, a square minus b square formula we can use. So this will be root of 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1 minus 1 is r upon r. This is the option given to us. So from here also let us find out what is r upon r. R upon r is greater than root 2 minus 1. This is what is given in the option, correct? So r upon r is greater than root 2 minus 1. Okay. So this thing 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1 is greater than root 2. All right. Because so if you consider this thing as k, so this is root 2k. Correct? But this k is greater than 1. So root 2k will be greater than root 2. Alright? Okay. So 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Let us subtract 1 on both sides. Root 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but r upon r greater than root 2 minus 1. So this is exactly what is given in the option also. So option C is correct. Now let us proceed to option D. What is option D? If n is equal to 12, root 2 into root 3 plus 1 r. If n is equals to 12, root 2 into root 3 plus 1 into small r is greater than capital R. Okay, this is given. Okay, cosecant. So what is the equation we have? Cosecant 180 by n minus 1 is capital R by R. So when we put n is equal to 12 here, it will be cosecant 15 minus 1 is equals to R upon R. Now what is sine 15? Sine 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So cosecant 15 is 2 root 2 by root 3 minus 1 is R upon R. Again, let us rationalize this. Let us multiply the numerator and denominator with root 3 plus 1. So the denominator will be a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So that will be 2. The numerator will be 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So this is r into r upon r. So root 2 into root 3 plus 1 minus 1 is r upon r. Okay. So now this particular quantity root 2 into root 3 plus 1 minus 1 is less than root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Correct? Here we have minus 1, here we don't have. Correct? So, but what is this? This is r upon r is less than root 2 into root 3 plus 1. So, capital R is less than root 2 into root 3 plus 1 times small r. So, this is exactly what is given in the option. Root 2 into root 3 plus 1 into small r is greater than capital R. So, option D is also correct. So, A, B are wrong, C, D are correct. So, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is correct, and this is correct. So, I hope the solution is clear. If you like this video, please like the video, share it, and subscribe. And if you have any queries, write up your queries in the comments. So, thank you.